Good evening, all. You're watching the news now, and I am Bindya with the news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Supreme Court takes a strong note of pollution in Delhi, takes on hand the government's for concrete proposal. Uproar continues in the upper house. NCP, RJD, TRS and IUML including Congress walked out of Rajya Sabha. Strict vigil on international travellers to Valley. DC Srinagar warns of holding history. Violent border clashes between Iranian soldiers and Talibani fighters. And a big blow to China in Pangshi sexual assault case. WTA suspends all the tournaments. And now the news in detail. Taking a strong note of the Delhi NCR pollution case, the Supreme Court took on hands the governments at the centre and at the state for not having same restrictions for all. The CJI reprimanded the Delhi government for not closing the schools. He said that small children are going to school while the employees are getting work from home. The Supreme Court has asked the governments to come up with a concrete proposal of dealing with the pollution issue before it starts taking tolls. Today is the fourth day of winter session of Parliament. There was an uproar in the upper house today on the issue of suspension of 12 Rajya Sabha MPs. Union Minister Jitendra Singh told in the Rajya Sabha that till 2007, 14 crore 6,19,227 appointments were made through SSC, UPSC and Railway Recruitment Board. At the same time, 6,98,011 appointments were made in the last 7 years. He said that in 2014, the sanctioned strength of the central post was 36,45,584. Now this figure has increased to 40,04,941. Meanwhile, the proceedings of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were adjourned till 2 p.m. with NCP, RJD, TRS and IUML including Congress staging a walkout of the Rajya Sabha on the issue of inflation not being discussed. Talking about the hiding the travel history and COVID history by the international passengers coming to Valley, the DC Srinagar Ejaz Asad warned about the legal punishment incurred for the same. He also emphasized on the importance of masking and vaccination for the people as a precaution towards Omicron variant of the coronavirus. He appealed to the people to not fall prey to rumors and abide by the COVID protocols.
आज जो भी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर्स आए हैं उनको एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव क्वारंटीन में रखा गया है और जैसे ही रिजल्ट आएगा आरटीपीसीआर का, उसके बाद अगर कोई पॉजिटिव आता है तो पॉजिटिव का प्रोटोकॉल अलग है जिसमें हॉस्पिटल आइसोलेशन की जाएगी। जो डीआरडीओ हमारा हॉस्पिटल है, डीआरडीओ खन्मू में जो हॉस्पिटल सेटअप किया गया है स्पेशली कोविड के लिए, और जो नेगेटिव आएंगे, नेगेटिव के लिए मैं ये पढ़ के सुना देता हूँ। इफ नेगेटिव, क्योंकि पॉजिटिव का तो क्लियर है, लेकिन नेगेटिव का मतलब ये नहीं है कि बिल्कुल छुट्टी है, उसका भी सुन लें। इफ नेगेटिव दे शैल बी पुट ऑन होम क्वारंटीन और होटल क्वारंटीन इन केस ऑफ टूरिस्ट्स फॉर 7 days, ड्यूरिंग विच दे शैल बी मॉनिटर्ड बाय द रिस्पेक्टिव चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स। इफ एनी सिम्टम्स आर ऑब्जर्व्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड दे शैल बी immediately tested again. Otherwise, they shall be retested on the 8th day through RT-PCR, and if negative, they shall self-monitor their health for next 7 days. If the repeat RT-PCR test is positive, then the person shall be immediately shifted to the designated hospital for COVID-positive patients, and his oblique her sample shall be sent for genome sequencing. ये मैंने प्रोटोकॉल आपको पढ़ के सुना दिया है।
Last night, a car caught fire in Digrana area of Jammu at about 700 hours. A vehicle caught fire due to a short circuit and was completely gutted within a couple of minutes. The vehicle belonging to Rajkumar, resident of Rehari, Jammu, was on way from Kunjwani towards Satwari and caught fire near industrial estate Jeevanagar Chowk. However, no loss of life has been reported so far. The Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party patron Bhim Singh today demanded immediate redressal of grievances of Talwara migrants in Jammu. While addressing the media, Professor Bhim Singh said that the Talwara migrants are living in hell-like situations since 15 years now and the administration is not paying any heed to their genuine grievances.
इन्हें तलवाड़ा माइग्रेंट कहा जाता है और जो उनके प्रेसिडेंट या उनके चेयरमैन वो भी यहाँ सारे मौजूद हैं। और मैं एक लीगल पर्सन होने के नाते, वकील होने के नाते सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी केस लड़ाया हूँ। और जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस लड़ा था, वो था जो अनीता जी की पिटाई की थी, यहाँ भी प्रेस क्लब में भी शायद वो फिल्म में दिखाई थी। गंजी जी को थाने में बंद रखा था 3 दिन या 4 दिन, 5 दिन बंद रहे, बिल्कुल कोई केस नहीं, कोई नहीं। और बाद में हमने दरअसल ऐलान किया था कि इस कमेटी ने, माइग्रेंट कमेटी के लिए, माइग्रेंट कमेटी तलवाड़ा सारे जो जम्मू में है, डोडा के हैं, डोडा जिला के हैं, राजौरी के हैं, पुंछ हैं,
गुलाबगढ़ के हैं,
गुलाबगढ़ के, ये सारे प्रोसेशन लेकर पैदल चलेंगे तलवाड़ा से लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला था कि महाराज जी को कंपनसेशन मिला जो पिटाई की थी उन्होंने, इसी केस में अनीता ठाकुर को इनको 2 लाख।
The BJP State Organization General Secretary Ashok Kol, along with Ward Number 41 Councillor Sanjay Kumar, visited the Ayushman Bharat camp being organized in Luthra Public School, Talab Tilo, and took a stock of the work going in progress. Ashok Kol said that the camp has benefited many people of the area along with Kashmiri Pandit migrants as well, and such initiatives by the administration and councillors are appreciable.
बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने इस प्रकार की यहाँ व्यवस्था की है, और यहाँ के लोकल लोगों ने भी, हमारे जो कॉर्पोरेटर हैं यहाँ वार्ड के श्री संजय जी और बाकी सारे जो यहाँ हमारे कार्यकर्ता हैं, वो भी लोगों को सहयोग कर रहे हैं और लोगों का काम यहाँ हो रहा है। हर एक का काम यहाँ बायोमेट्रिक होने के बाद उसका कार्ड, उसका आयुष्मान कार्ड जो है, सेहत कार्ड जो है, जो जम्मू कश्मीर की अलग से भी स्कीम है, वो कार्ड यहाँ बन रहे हैं। अधिक से अधिक लोग इसके लाभार्थी, इसके बेनिफिट ले रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। मैं यहाँ की सारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को और यहाँ के सभी लोगों को इस काम के लिए बधाई दूँ।
The PDD President and former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti today released the first edition of People's Democratic Party's internal newsletter, Speak Up. The Jammu and Kashmir police found a dead body near Ranbir Canal, Akhnoor Road. An Aadhaar card found with the body names Surya Ahiwar, a non-local resident of Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Taking the possession of the body, Jammu and Kashmir police has started the further investigation. The wetlands of Jammu and Kashmir witness a flock of migratory birds every year, but the Wildlife Department seems a little interested in hosting these migratory guests for 4th consecutive year at one of the largest wetland, Shalbug in Gaderbal district. The locals blame that the department's negligence in erecting embankment to retain water as the major reason for these birds falling and failing to find an accommodation at the right time, and thus they fly to other places. Meanwhile, wildlife officials have assured that the embankment will be erected within a week's time.
रिंग बंद तो ऑलमोस्ट टिपन शेड तक कंप्लीट हो गया है। तो एक हफ्ते फिर उधर टिपन शेड पर पानी बांधना है। इस वक्त वो पानी की सतह वहाँ नीचे है, उधर थोड़ा बांधना है, तो इस पानी की सतह ऊपर आ जाएगी और रख में पानी आ जाएगा आसानी से। हफ्ता भर, एक कम से कम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 हफ्ता लगेगा। जब पानी की सतह बराबर हो जाएगी तो बहुत जानवर आ जाएंगे साथ।
Moving on to the world of entertainment, Hollywood's popular production house Yash Raj Films is all set to enter the digital world. The production house has made all the preparations for their first debut series, and now they are going to explode on OTT. It will be shown how the railway workers of Bhopal station saved many lives in the tragedy of 1984. Shiv Raval is directing the railway men. Shiva is also debuting as a director through this film. The concept of Aditya Chopra's film is such for which the names of R. Madhavan and KK Menon came first. According to reports, the series was made in a budget of 10 crores. And from the world of sports, the Women's Professional Tennis Tour has suspended all tennis tournaments to be held in China. This decision has been taken in mindset of question arising regarding the safety of Chinese female tennis player Peng Shuai. Peng Shuai had accused the senior leader of the ruling Communist Party of China of sexual assault. Since then, she has not been seen in public. Since then, questions are being raised about this safety. And WTA chairman and CEO Steve Simon said that the suspension of tournaments in China will result in a loss of crores of rupees, but the decision is supported by all. World number one male tennis player Novak Djokovic and women's tour founder Billie Jean King have also supported the move. And from across the world, violent clashes broke out between Iranian soldiers and Taliban fighters on the Afghanistan-Iran border, although there is no news of any deaths so far. After the clashes, it was said that it happened due to the misunderstanding, and many videos of this incident are going viral on social media as well, in which the Taliban fighters are seen with weapons in their hand. There has also been a shootout between them, responding to the Taliban shells were fired from Iran. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with the News Now web and keep reading the News Now daily and e-print paper. Jai Hind.